Alright guys, we're out here with the EXO drone and we're going to try to fly it around here with no app in below freezing temperatures. Now it's super duper windy and super cold, so I'm just going to fly it around and see how it performs, how it holds up in this bad weather conditions, to see if it's worthy. Okay, so we're going to try that out. We'll set it over here on the ground. We got about, I think, 9 satellites or so. Okay, the outside button. The outside button is the takeoff and land. The inside button's the headless mode. Like I said, I'm just flying it around here a little bit to see how it handles this weather. It's very windy out here. I mean, it's pretty bad, man. It's below freezing, I can tell you that. It's like 20, 25 or something like that. I'll look at the weather app here and I'll pop that up on the screen. But it's cold, man. I mean, it's really cold. This has been the worst winter ever. I haven't been able to do anything. Well, it's not really toilet bowling or anything. Got 13 satellites. Seems to be holding up pretty good. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever flown this thing without using the app. Man, am I cold. Believe me, I'm not staying out here long. I bet you that EXO's pretty damn cold too. I didn't hook up the app because I didn't want to freeze my damn iPhone. Yeah, I think it's holding up pretty good. It's flying pretty well. You know, they don't recommend you using these drones in below freezing temperatures for sure, but so the cameras went a little goofy. The gimbal, it's probably cold is what it is. You can see it's tilted sideways. Because that's what the FEMI X8 does that. Yeah, the cold weather, it really affects the motor, the gimbal motors. So that's probably what's going on. There, it's straightened out a little bit there. But it's definitely affecting it, no doubt. All the lights are green on there, so it's got plenty of satellites. It's got 13, so it's never got any more than that. That's as many as it's got. The battery now has dropped down 1 bar. So the battery's holding up good. The battery's holding up. It's flying good considering this wind. Gimbal's a little shaky. We'll see the video when I put the video in there, how much leaning it's doing. But I would say it's, for a little hobby grade or a little bit above toy grade, it's doing pretty well. It's performing nicely. I mean, you can't really expect a lot from these things. I think I only paid 150 bucks for this thing when it was on. They had one of them flash sales, you know. They advertise the heck out of this thing on Facebook all the time, so. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. It did well. I'm happy with the performance of it. Let me cut the video and land it up. Yeah, I think it did fine, considering it's only like 25 degrees out here. So yeah, I think it did great, man. All right, guys, there you go. EXO in freezing conditions. It did well. It did well. All right, guys, have a nice day.